Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks opportunity. My name is Muhammad Fadila Alhana, number 2T2T210288. I am from team 4. I am here to definition of leadership. Leadership in English is called leadership, and in Arabic it's called injama or iyama. In the terminology proposed by Marifit and Hamza, leadership is connected with stimulation, mobilization, direction, coordination, the motive, and levelity of people involved in joint efforts. Leadership is part of a management function that occupies strategic position in the system and hierarchy of work and responsibility in organization. The following is the definition of leadership based on expert one Katz and Donald. Division leadership process influence a group of people so that they are willing to work hard to achieve the group goals. B. Guts to carry a leadership. Leadership is the activity in influencing people to try to achieve common goals. Leadership principle. According to business, in the book Behavior in Organization, leadership in Scavian team focus this attention first on people and then on the rest, so that leadership responsible is the opposite of the surprise attacks. And the principle of Kaizen leadership, according to business, was put forward by considering then Kaizen content then principle, namely one care of continuous improvement. It is a nature on text to be carried or successful. So we turn attention to something new. Success is not an end result of a text. Success is a step forward. B. Admit the problem openly. Opens as power that can control and solve financial problems quickly, and also quickly the can receive ability. C. Promoting opens. For traditional organization, knowledge is personal power about for a Kaizen organization. Knowledge is to serve in the communication relation the support its are good source of efficiency. D. Creates a work team. In Kaizen organization, the teams is the basic building material from the organization structure. Ex-employee individual contribution in the form of reporting for a fashion or work perform and improvement. E. Profit the corners employee relation process. In Kaizen organization do not like mutually hostile and controversial relation the actor in combination that are plural and candid on things that have a blame culture. For example, their work in the company goal system. The Kaizen cycle are the quality cycle of the project teams. I give earth to ex-employees through skill training, charming, responsibility, decision making, access to data source and budgets. Responsibility, company reputation, and rewards. Kaizen employees choose the power to influence their own affair and those of the company. According to fitness review the boy Raffi Ammar in the book, leader and leadership means organization decide that leader an organization must have certain criteria like a true leader. Three criteria are: one, influence. A leader is someone who has people who support him, will help trace the name of the leader. That influences cause the leader to be followed and makes others submit to what the leader says. B. Power or power. Leader is generally followed by others because he has power that makes others respect his extinction. Without the power of a strength like the leader, of course, no one want to be his supporter. The power and strength possessed by leader make other people will depend on what a leader has. Without it, it will not be able to do anything. This relation makes a symbiotic relation of mutualism, where both parties feel mutually benefit. According to Mac Ardanani Wayamanana in the book Organization Behavior, the site that there are certain factors that can affect the leadership process in an organization. The factors include: one, Personal character of leader. What really stands out is the legend. In general, leader will have a higher like in frequency than those being led. In addition, there are characters such as intelligence and motivation. B leads group. The collection of personal characteristics of a leader descriptions above does not mean anything. Before he asked it as to interpret the goals that must be achieved by him. Leader personal style. 1. Some of the most attitude and behaviors in organization are those of its leaders. 2. There are many variations to leadership. 3. Ideas about leadership change over time. 4. Leadership depends on organization and situation. 5. Leadership is one of the most widely researched and discussed topics. The nature of the leadership. The nature of the leadership. An organization is only as good as its leadership. There are the key variables to leaderships. 1. People. 2. Influence. 3. Goals.
Contemporary leadership. Leadership evolves with time. Level 5 leaderships. 1. Defined in books Good to Great. 2. Complete lack of ego. 3. Focus on organization and results. Interactive leadership. 1. Minimizing personal ambition and developing others. 2. Favors consensual and collaborative process. 3. Grow from observation of male vs female leaders. The level 5 leadership hierarchy. 1. Highly capable individual. Level 2. Contributing team member. Level 3. Competence manager. Level 4. Effective leader. Level 5 executive. From management to leadership. 1. Good management is essential. 2. Leadership is required. 3. Distinct qualities. Leadership cannot replace management, it should be in addition to management.
Behavioral approaches to leadership. Ohio State studies consideration people-oriented behavior. Ideating structure, text behavior that directs work activities. Michigan studies employee-centered leaders focus on subordination human needs. Job-centered leader meeting schedule, keeping costs low, and achieving productivity. The leadership grid built on both Ohio State and Michigan studies. Two-dimensional grid with 5 major management styles. Leadership grid. Country club management. Thoughtful attention to the needs of people first specifying relationship leads to a comfortable, friendly organization atmosphere and work tempo. Team management. Work accomplishment is from committed people. Interdependence through a common stake in organization purpose lead to relationship of trust and respect. Middle of the road management. Adequate organization performance is possible through balancing the necessity to get out work with maintaining morale of people at satisfying level. Management. Exertion of minimum effort to get required work done is appropriate to sustain organization membership. Authority compliance. Efficiency in operation results from arranging condition of work in such a way that human elements interfere to a minimum degree. See approaches. Hershey and Blanchard situational theory. Characteristics follower and determining appropriate leadership behavior. Adopt one of 4 leadership style. Fidelis contingency theory. Apply leader style to organizational situation. Is situation favorable or unfavorable to leader style? Situational theory Hershey and Blanchard. Leader style. 1. Telling. Provide specific instruction and closely supervise performance. 2. Selling. explain, discussion, and provide opportunity for clarification. 3. Participation, share idea and facilitate in decision making. 4. Delegating, turn over responsibility for discussion and implementation. Follower readiness, follower directed, height, able and willing or confident. Moderate, able but unwilling or insecure. 2. Leader directed, unable but willing or confident. Low, unable and unwilling or insecure.
How leaders deal with the situation. In high performance and low, task-oriented leadership and order leader. Leader in relation and text structure. Leader positive power. Situation very prefer to leader good and structured strong and weak. Situation intermediately prefer to leader good structured and strong and weak. Poor structured and strong and weak. Situation for preferable to leader and poor structured and strong and weak. Next. Situated and neutralizer for leadership. Variable and organizing variable, text characteristic and group characteristic. And organization variables. Group coordination formalizing as built-in low position power dispersion. Text characteristic hack structure text automatic feedback and intrinsic certification. Group characteristic professionalism training and experience. Text oriented leadership organization variable subsist for nationalities and text characteristic subsist for and no effect on. Group characteristic and submissive for and substitute for. And people oriented leadership in organization variable substitute for and no effect on. And tech characteristic people oriented leadership and no effect on and substitute for. Group characteristic in the people oriented leadership is substitute for and no effect on. Next. Charismatic leadership. Leadership can experiment and motivate people. And charismatic leader and lovely vision, ability to start and appetition, empowering and trusting subordinates. And charismatic leader of less parties and created an environment of change. Transformation versus transformation leader. Transformation leader driving innovation in change and recognizing need of followers, inspiring others to believe in themselves. Different that transsexual leadership in initiated structure and perfect rewards excel in management functional. And transmissional leaders have positive impact on the followers.
Followership leaders can develop an understanding of followers. Good followers have leadership traits. Effective followers are independent and critical thinkers. There are 5 styles of follower. Rival follower is a critical and independent but passive thinker. Then confirms actually participates in relationship with is super but do not use experts in critical thinking. Then people favorite mean have all trait depending on what style is suitable in each situation. Then passive followers do not show critical thinking and effective followers are critical and independent thinkers. Power and influence. Power is the potential to influence the behaviors of others, while influence is the impact of one's action. Following survival source of power, power sphere, regional power manager areas from organization. Legitimate power, power arising from formal management position in the organization. Power rewards derived from the authority to reward others. Bonified power, authority to punish. Personal power that arises alone from internal source. Expert power, power derived from the determination or special aspects. The power of reflection comes from the personal characteristics of a person who makes other impartial. Other power sources including personal factors. Person demonstrating anti-diverse network relationship, having greater power and information are business resources. Interpersonal influence tactics use rational persuasion, make people like you, rely on rules of reciprocity, develop a less expert what you want, make use from higher authority. Reward the behaviors you want, leadership as servant leader who go beyond serving others and the organization, work toward the goals and needs of their supervision and the manifestation of their organization. Servant leaders serve a lot of negotiation packaged for achievement and even money. They are combined. Moral leadership is concurrent with this choosing right from wrong and coaching to do the right good. This means perfecting harmony, kin and proper before in expressing leadership. Moral leaders remember that business is also about values or choose economic exploit.